Well, I can't get your full body. Like, I can't see what's going down there.
You want to see those girly legs?
I want to see those really legs. Let's see them. Model the legs.
Most teams, a horrible problem with most teams. You just joke about it. Like it's easy.
So we are implementing a new system where it's not on my waist.
He's retarded.
It's just going to be really good.
With the flippers.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt too bad. But this is going to really, really hurt, or it's going to really, really be good. So it's either or.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Yeah, I'm just going to apologize now, Andrew's parents, that we killed your son.
I can't do it right. I'm high like that.
Sure?
Okay, we're using a slip knot, one of the most secure of all knots.
Here I go. Woo! I'm really so much stuff, dude.
You look so
My chest. I can stop you bad, though.
Yeah?
Stop, Tony.
Dude, we're inventing a sport right now. Check this out. I kind of got it to work, but it came with a price.
Let's see the price, Parker.
Huh?
Let's see the price. Well, never mind. This is more entertaining.
Here it goes, man. Take a video of this. Just trust the road, man.
Yeah, go to the board, man. You alright, man? Woo! Here, turn around.
That's why you don't turn around your way in.
Oh, look at that. Actually, it's not too bad.